Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SolidWorks tutorial how to add materials. For example, I will create 3D objects. You can go to sketch, click sketch, use top plane, and I will draw rectangle. Use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to add material into this object, you can right click in part and then go to material. And here you can see we have a lot of options. You also can click edit material and then you can choose your material in here. So you can set by using iron, aluminum, copper, or the other. Like here I will set into wood. You can see drop down menu and I will use the maple wood, which is for the materials, the properties, appearance, crossheads, custom, and the other option. So this is for appearance and this is for the properties of the material. If you're done, you can click apply, then you can close. Okay, that's it for basic SolidWorks tutorial, how to add material. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.